How to automate your life. Everyone's life is full of obligations. We all have our own responsibilities, and it seems like you will only get more as time goes on. Even mundane, everyday tasks can eventually pile up. It's easy to get lost in these to-do lists or to become overwhelmed by the sheer number of things that need to get done in a day. Thankfully, automating your life is a solution that can easily help you take control of everything you need to do. When you automate your life, you will allow certain things to be done for you, allowing you to put your focus elsewhere. While there are countless ways to schedule, plan and add routines to your life, these are 3 places you can get started on your automation journey. When you truly learn how to automate your life, you'll be well on your way to managing your time like an expert. Automatic bill pay. Barring the most responsible of us, everyone has accidentally missed the deadline of a bill by a day or 2. Most people already pay the majority of their bills online. That means that automating your bill schedule will be easier than you think. Figure out all the bills that you need to pay every month and make a schedule of them. Arrange your budget so that you'll always have the needed amount of money in your account at those times. Then go to the individual websites where these bills are paid and set up an auto-pay. Getting yourself initialized with automatic bill pay will help you save money on late fees and overdrafts. You simply set it and forget it, letting your bank do all of the work. Grocery delivery. These days there are dozens of apps and programs that will allow you to cut down on the time you spend making a grocery list and trekking out to the store to pick up everything on it. Even your local grocery store chain may offer a delivery service for a small fee. Having your groceries delivered to you, especially on a set schedule, is a proactive way to automate your life. Not only does it save you time, but it can also be the key to replenishing your essentials. For example, you can set websites like Chewy or Amazon to automatically reorder cat food. Simply monitor how long it takes your cat to eat through their food and set everything up to have it delivered before the bag is empty. Then, before you've even realized you've run out, a new stock of your kitty's lunch will be waiting at your doorstep. Meal prepping. Planning your menu or prepping your meals ahead will save you a surprising amount of time in the future. When you already know what you're going to eat, you don't have to waste time deciding what to cook. Meal prepping makes it so that most of the work is already done, meaning that even on the busiest days, you can simply finish up the cooking and have dinner on the table in no time flat. Even if you don't make them in advance, having a set meal schedule also helps you decide what groceries to purchase and what tools you will need to have ready for that night's meal. Not only does this save you time, but it will save you a lot of money. You don't have to run out to the store halfway through your recipe because you've realized you forgot milk. You also will avoid wasting food. Shopping and eating with intent means that everything will get used. There are dozens of ways to automate your life. Observe your surroundings and consider ways that you can make things easier on yourself.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.